A quick breakdown on dollar EU RUSD.
Let me remove this. Alright. So let's do a quick breakdown on how we would have gotten in on EU following the trend. Right? So this is just a quick breakdown on how, although I got only one trade inside. See, just this one sell trade inside. But let's do a quick breakdown on how we would have gotten in. Right, following the daily CRT. Okay, so when price was here, see, we have a whole zone here that price mitigated on the daily time frame. We have a whole zone here. See, we had a whole zone there that price mitigated on that particular period of time. So let's go to, let me delete all of these and start over again. Alright, so when price was here, let's use our replay. Right, so when price got here, you had our first tap, right? So immediately you get your first tap, you start looking for liquidity. Since you are on the daily time frame, when price taps into your zone and the wick is this long, you can see how long the wick is. Sorry, the candle. Where is this? Where is this tool? Okay, this one. You can see how long it is, right? You can see how long it is. So you wait for price to like take out this high, since it is this long, and price have gotten into our daily zone, right? So you have to like wait for price to take out this high, giving us a CRT high, then we target the CRT low for ourselves. Right, following the trend, you can even see that we are bearish. Right, we are bearish following the trend because we've broken below this level, we've broken below that level. Right, we've broken below that level, and now current price is around a zone. Right, a zone, and look at it, that particular zone that was created tapped into another zone, so it is now looking like an order flow. So you go to your 2 hours time frame. We've marked that zone out as our CRT high. We marked this zone out as our CRT high. So what to expect is price now. So price will get to that zone. So like take out the size so we can start looking for, right? So we can start looking for sell opportunities, right? But if you want to be patient, there is a zone here too. But I don't recommend that zone. Let's play it and see how it happened when price took out that high. This is why it is good to look. This is why it is good to like go to multiple time frames for confirmations. Right? It is good, like it's very good. I recommend to go to like multiple time frames to get clearer view on what is happening. So this is our CRT low. This is our CRT low, and price actually goes to that zone that we marked. I marked out the zone from the wick, but this is the body of the whole movement. You can see the body. This is the body, right? So if you don't have that time to like coming back to your don't have time for refinements, you can just place it like this and leave it to run. Since we are all targeting this CRT low, right? Since we are all targeting this CRT low, so now you go to like your 5 to 15 minutes time frame to like wait for price to take out a low, right? So this is how you should be expecting price to take out, right? So this is what you should be expecting after this sweep. You should be expecting price to like take out lows like this, right? Lows like this, like this. This is like this, and you can start looking for sales. So that is how you follow market trend, right? That's how you follow market trend. So let's see how it happened. Let me make it faster, right? Okay, so this first low have been taken, and where is everything coming from? When this first low was taken, right? This was the high that was created, like the highest high within this range here before it was taken. So this will be served as inducement, right? So it is now telling us that this zone here is a valid zone for sales. Now this is telling us that this zone is a valid zone for sales, right? So let's see how it goes. So you can see that this other low have been taken. So most of these things you just have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to have patience. You don't have to be rushing price, because if you rush, you can get burnt. So let's check 5 minute time frame to see if there's anything we can refine. So on the 5 minute time frame, I don't even think there's any major refinements. And if you come to the 5 minute time frame, you can even see that this zone here, price tapped into the zone here, and on that same 5 minute time frame, this is the zone. But you cannot just say this is the zone and start selling from there. You can, since you're on the lower time frame, you can like give the stop loss a breathing space. Since you are targeting CRT low, that's very far from here, right? So let's see how it linked. So let me mark the zone again. So yeah, this is it. let's see how it happened. This is 5 minutes. Then the 15 minutes is more refined. So you can keep your stop loss around here. 5 stop loss. Targeting the CRT low on the daily time frame. That is 37 hour for you. Only 37 hour. Right? So while swinging this trade, you can be looking for more sell opportunities. So for those that sold from here, some people might have sold from here, like marked out this as their order block, marked this as their order block, then marked this as their engagement. Right? It was just liquidity forming up. Price was just looking for liquidity to like clear, so the profit was just V1s. You get the profit for a little period of time, and price did what it had to do. Yeah, let's go back and see what actually happened. So let's see 36, okay, 37 hour on the dot, 74. Let's see. All of this requires patience. It requires patience. You can see. Let's start to do this, then start melting. See, this is why you have to be patient. This is why you have to be patient. Let's start, and now you are selling, right? And we still have zones that we can still mark out. I have this one here. I have an inducement, right? I have an inducement there. I'll be using this particular place as head and shoulder, but I would like cover this whole zone here, like cover from this whole zone here as my stop loss. I'll cover this whole zone as the stop, since our target is still far from here. So let's see. But I don't think price went back to that zone, but let's see how it played. So yeah, this is it. This is what actually happened. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. So yeah. So you can see how smooth the ride is. Smooth ride. It was a very smooth ride. Alright, so there's another opportunity. This was the one I caught. I will send the MT5 screenshot after this video. I'll drop the MT5 screenshot after this video. So yeah, the price was just here, like exactly around here when I saw it. So where is price coming from? Price broke below this. Sorry, price broke below this low. Then we have sell zone here. We have the sell zone. The price mitigated and we are selling from that zone. We are currently selling from that zone. Then we have an inducement for that zone. We have an inducement for that zone. Then you go to your line chart. Right? You go to your line chart and mark this as your key level. This was the sell I cut with my signal group. Right? Then this was the inducement. This sell alone was 18 RR. Yeah. So that was how it actually played out. So yeah, then my stop was around exactly around here, targeting. Okay, I went out around here, I think so. Around here, so it was around 18 around. Yeah. But initial target is 0 0. Right? So let's see how it played. So yeah, that was it. Okay. Sorry. Let me go back. I think I'm making a mistake. 15 minutes, I think so. Okay, it was around here. Okay, then let me go back to my candle. So we were tagged on our trading view, like we were tagged on our trading view. I don't know. Okay, I think this broker. Okay, it's because of this broker and the other broker is they're not the same. They're not the same brokers. So yeah, this was how it played out. And most of the opportunities there, but I ignored. So you can see the price went to the 0 low, and we are not rejecting to the upside. Right? We are not rejecting to the upside. See? Then now we have a zone. We have a zone here that we can buy from. Right? This is just how you follow market up. Like this is just how you follow. Okay, we missed this one. So you can see that immediately price tapped into the CRT low. We had this rejection to the upside. So that was how it is. So thank you for your time. See you next time.
Join my Telegram channel for more.